Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 8. So my dear student, let us start our class. Today is our lecture number 39 of half yearly and today's HW number will be 30. My dear student, our today's topic name chapter 6.1 and from that chapter we shall solve question number 6 and 10 as your CW and 4 and 9 will be your SW. So my dear student, let us start our class. Question 1, solve the following by using the method of substitution. Okay, my dear student, in this chapter simple simultaneous equation we have two methods to solve that equation. One is simple substitution method and another one is method of elimination. Okay, but today we shall learn the method of substitution. Okay, question number 6, x minus y equal to twice a, ax minus by equal to a square plus b square. Dear student, it has two variables. We want to solve this math and we need to find out the value of x and y. Okay, and the question asks us to find the answer in substitution method. So what is substitution method? At first we convert one equation of these two equation into one variable of other. After that we putting that value in equation of the other variable and we get the one value, and that is putting in any equation we get the other value. Okay, when we solve this math, then it is easier for you to understand what is substitution method. So first of all, 6 number question, we write x minus y equal to twice a. This is equation number 1, and ax minus by equal to a square plus b square. This is equation number 2. Okay, my dear student. Now from equation 1 we get, now we write from equation 1 we get x. At first we convert this equation into one variable of other variable. So we need to convert x into terms of y. That means twice a is written here and minus y changes its position and it go to the right hand side and it will be plus y. This is equation number 3. Okay, now putting this value in equation number 2, right? Putting x equal to twice a plus y in equation 2 and we get here ax, that means a into the value of x is twice a plus y minus by equal to a square plus b square, right? Then we multiply this number by a, that means twice a square plus ay. After that this minus by is written here and here a square plus b square. Dear student, please notice this is 2a square without variable. So we changes its position, that means it go to the right hand side, and from this we take y common and left a minus b, and a square plus b square minus twice a square. Then y into a minus b equal to b square minus, if we subtract then we get a square. Now dear student, y to a minus b and we take minus common and here left a square minus b square. Then y into a minus b and we write this as a plus b into a minus b. Now we need the value of y only. For this reason a minus b changes its position, that means it divide the right hand side, that is minus a plus b, a minus b divided by a minus b. Now my dear student, I cut this a minus b cut and left y equal to minus a plus b. This is the value of y. Now putting this value of y in equation number 3. So write putting the value of y in equation 3 and we get, so here equation 3 is x and twice a, we write here twice a, and what is the value of y? Value of y is minus a plus b. Dear student, this plus and this minus, it will be minus sign. After that a plus b, a plus b. Then therefore x equal to twice a, minus is multiply both sign and we get minus a minus b. Then therefore x equal to, if we subtract a from twice a, we get a and minus b is placed here. So the value of x is a minus b and the value of y is minus a plus b. Now we write the solution of this math. Okay, in how many? In the required solution is x comma y equal to a minus b minus a plus b minus. I hope you have understood. This is the solution of equation number 1. So my dear student, this is the solution of question number 6. Now we shall solve question number 10. And 10 number question is 1 by x plus 1 by y equal to 5 by 6. 1 by x minus 1 by y equal to 1 by 6. My dear student, from this equation we use substitution method to solve. But if we solve it directly, then it is harder for us. But if we take 1 by x equal to m and 1 by y equal to n, then it is easier for us to solve. So how can we? Notice the board. Number question. First of all, we write this question: 1 by x plus 1 by y equal to 5 by 6. This is equation number 1. Then 1 by x minus 1 by y equal to 1 by 6. This is equation number 2. Now my dear student, let 1 by x equal to m and 1 by y equal to n. So if we consider 1 by x equal to m and 1 by y equal to n, then what will be the equation? The equation will be m plus n equal to 5 by 6 and m minus n equal to 1 by 6. So write then m plus n equal to 5 by 6, equation number 3, and m minus n equal to 1 by 6. This is equation number 4. Now my dear student, we convert one equation into one variable of other variable. So write from equation 3 we can write m equal to 5 by 6 minus n, right? Then this is equation number 4. Now putting this value in equation number 4, equation number 4. This is equation number 5 and putting this value in equation number 4, right? Putting m equal to 5 by 6 minus n in equation 4 and we get, now the value of m is 5 by 6 minus n and this minus n is written here and here 1 by 6. So we add minus n, that means 2n, and 5 by 6 had no variable, so it changes its position and it will be minus 1 by 6 minus 5 by 6. Now minus 2n is written here and 6 is LCM, both are same, so 1 minus 5. Then minus twice n equal to minus 4 by 6. Now my dear student, from both sides we dividing both side by minus 2. I repeat, we divide both side by minus 2 and we get n equal to 2 by 6. Here write dividing both sides by minus 2. Okay, then what is the value of n? Value is 1 by y. So write 1 by y and it's convert in its lowest term, that means 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. So now we apply here cross multiplication method. Y multiply 1 and we get y. 3 1s are 3. Okay, so the value of y is 3. I hope you have understood. Now putting the value of n in equation number 4. Now we get, now putting the value of n and we get n in equation number 4 and we get m minus the value of n is 2 by 6. Notice value of n is 2 by 6. So m minus 2 by 6 equal to 1 by 6. Now m equal to, this sign change its position, that means go to the right hand side and it will be 2 by 6. Now we do addition, 6 is LCM and both denominators same, so we add 2 plus 1 plus 2, that means m equal to 3 by 6. So we convert it into lowest term, that means it will be 1 by 2. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Now my dear student, what is the value of m? The value of m is 1 by x. So we write here 1 by x. Now we apply here cross multiplication method. X 1s are x equal to 2 1s are 2. So the value of x is 2 and the value of y is 3. So required solution x comma y equal to 2 comma 3. This is the solution of equation number 10. So my dear student, I hope you have understood method of substitution. There are a lot of maths of this method. You must solve this by yourself at home, and 2 problem will be your SW, that on 4 and 9. 4 and 9 you must do your assign SW in SW copy and submit it regularly in our school campus in every Saturday within 9 AM to 3 PM. So my dear student, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, and you must prepare yourself for half yearly examination. Thank you all.